I'm Margaret Jervis. I'm Operational Director of Valleys Kids, which is a voluntary local organisation. But I'm also trustee of national bodies. I've been trustee for Play Wales, for the Arts Council of Wales and for WCVA. When I joined the board of WCVA, some 20 years ago, it was a much smaller, less influential organisation than it is today. Over those years, there's been a great deal of change, and that has meant that as a trustee, you have to be aware of the change and the developments and be able to understand the importance of what is going on and play an appropriate role on the board. I personally believe that if you're going to become a trustee, you should care about what the organisation that you're becoming a trustee of is aiming to do. You should be passionate about their work, believe in their aims, and care about. I've become the three organisations that I am a trustee of is because I care passionately about children and young people. I care passionately about the third sector, or the voluntary sector as I prefer to call it. So I have joined those boards because I felt that I had something to bring, and that might have been coming from a very local level and working at a local level. I had something different to bring to these boards and some of the other members. There are responsibilities and challenges in being a trustee. And what you have to be aware of is that in your induction you will be made quite clear what your role is as a trustee. And to meet your responsibilities, you will be supported by the team behind you to carry out your responsibilities well. But I would remind you that trustees are volunteers, and like everything in volunteering, you always get more than you give. So enjoy being a trustee and enjoy seeing your organisation grow and develop.